Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn about a most common error which you might have seen, that is 404 error. So there are many types of error, 401, 403, etc. But some of the client side errors, these are some of the client side errors, but the most common error found is 404. So this 404 errors appears when a web page does not exist or the page has been moved or deleted, removed or deleted from your website. Means if you are searching for a particular digital marketing page and you get this error, that means that the website or that web page particularly is removed by the person who has developed the website, means the web developer. So how does it affect the SEO? So it affects the SEO by the following thing. The first thing is that your website would have a negative impact, and because page visitors would get angry and they may leave your website. That would result in loss of business and increased bounce rate that can affect your rankings. So ask your web developer to use 301 permanent redirection for deleted or outdated page. Means if someone, you can just imagine that you are searching for a particular page and you are exhausted and you just found a page, means you just found your favorite website where you get digital marketing pages, and you just clicked on that page and you get this error, 404 error, 404 error. So what would be your reaction? You would eventually get angry with the website. You would start hating that website because the website, and you would just that would increase the bounce rate. You will just spread this message that the website has not this page, and you would get angry and you would stop using that website. That has happened with people. So how to remove such pages from indexing? So of course you can request Google to remove your old pages that you have deleted. For example, we have deleted many pages from dhableshwarmarketing.com related to digital marketing courses, since we moved our training from dhableshwarmarketing.com to expertstrainingmarketing.com. So but please don't search this, because we have permanently deleted those two websites, because I am planning to start a new website with much more impact, and I will inform you when I do that. And in that website I would just I will share my experiences on SEO, as well as I will give free training and free courses for people to learn. So I think that in this video you have learned what is 404 error and learned how to fix it. So let's move on to the next video.